How to grow your Instagram account fast using hashtags. So if you're really confused about using hashtag, in this video I'm going to give you the right strategy where you can use hashtags and get a lot of engagement, reach, and more followers. So guys, let's begin. So my name is Yavar. I create a lot of Instagram tutorials. I show you how to make money on Instagram, so please consider subscribing, and I am posting every week. And also one more thing guys, I'm a straightforward guy, so all the videos would be no BS, straight to the point. So now how you can grow your Instagram page with using hashtags. So I would suggest first thing is be consistent. If you're not consistent enough, you're not going to grow. At least minimum 5 times a day. Doesn't matter what you're posting in the beginning, it doesn't matter. Start posting something which is related to your content. Once you are posting consistently, then you need to use the right hashtags. You need to use maximum 30 hashtags, and I would suggest using 30 hashtags. Once that's done, now the second thing is I use a strategy called hashtag strategy. So I've created a video about that. I'm not going to explain you, but I use a website for hashtag research. Okay, so as you could see on the screen, so the website name is Flick, and if you click on the link below, you get a 7-day free trial, so you can just try it out. And so again, this is the website. All you have to do is find hashtags, type whatever your hashtag is. So let's say you're into fitness. Okay, so you can just write fitness over here. Okay, and that's it. Or if you're into fitness, photography, everything's over here, just type fitness. And then as you could see over here, you can find all the list of hashtags. If I click on table view, you can see daily average posting count, average likes. So the best thing would be potential reach. Okay, so the ones, this one would have people, you have more chances to reach on the top page of this hashtag. So if I just open this up, if I just click on, come over here, click on this review on Instagram. So let's say you use this hashtag, you would have more chances to reach on the top of these hashtags. So make sure you use this hashtag research tool, which is very easy. If I click on the group view, you can do this. I've created a hashtag ladder strategy, which you could check, the link is down below. So that's the first way. And the second way is, guys, again, let's say I open Instagram. This is one post which I just saw. Use relevant hashtag. Doesn't matter you use in comments or use in post, just use it anywhere. Use 30 hashtags, not less than that, not more than that, and use 30 hashtags and post consistently. That's the real truth about it. Post consistently and use hashtags which are relevant and hashtags which are low competition. Okay, so to find it, there are 2 ways you can find it. Search over here manually, which is gonna take a lot of time. The second best way is try the 7-day free trial. Get all the hashtags from your, save it in Excel, save it in a notepad, and then you could reuse it again. And then once you start reusing it, there's this analytics as well over here. So it shows me, now my page is not connected, but it shows me which hashtag is ranking on my page. So once I know that this hashtag is ranking, I'm going to use that hashtag a lot, so that way I can reach the explore page as well. So that's it for today's video. If you would like to learn more about how to make money on Instagram or how to grow your followers, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it. Yavar Khan signing off, and I would see you in the next video.